relationships. Who doesn't love to talk about romance, right? So in this video, I'm going to share with you some really helpful vocabulary that has to do with love and relationships. Specifically, these are phrasal verbs, which are super common in English. So I'll share with you these verbs, also give you some examples so that you can use these properly in your English conversations. Hit on someone. To hit on someone means to flirt with someone or to make it obvious that you like them. For example, he was hitting on her all night last night at the bar. Hit it off. To hit it off means to like someone immediately. So, for example, we met at Jenny's party and we hit it off immediately. We talked all night long. Open up. To open up means to talk about yourself, especially your emotions and your feelings. So, for example, I've never met anyone like you. I just feel like I can open up with you. I can trust you. Ask someone out. To ask someone out means to ask them out on a date. So, for example, I know you really like that girl. You should really ask her out. Don't be afraid. Ask her out. Go out. To go out means to leave your house and go somewhere special, usually on a date. So, for example, we're going out on Sunday to that new Japanese place that I want to try. This can be used for a romantic date or a non-romantic date. You can say I'm going out with my friends to the mall on Saturday. But to go out also means to be in a romantic relationship with someone. So, for example, John and Mary are definitely going out. It means that they're dating. Hook up. To hook up means to have a physical relationship with someone. So, for example, they hooked up at the party. I wonder if they're going to start dating. Lead on. To lead someone on means to make someone think that you like them or even love them when you don't. For example, I know you don't really care about that girl. You had better stop leading her on. You're going to hurt her feelings. Make out. To make out means to kiss a lot. So, for example, at that party, they were making out all night long. Move in. To move in with someone means to start living in the same home with someone. So, for example, moving in with him, I don't think that's such a good idea. Settle down. To settle down with someone means to make a commitment to them, to start to build a life with them. So, for example, I don't think that Bill is ready to settle down. He's like with a different girl every weekend. Break up. To break up means to end a relationship. So, for example, he hasn't called me in a week. I wonder if he's thinking about breaking up. Make up. And to make up is the opposite. It means to reconcile or repair a relationship. So, for example, Anne and Tim, they had a huge fight and they broke up. But I sure hope that they can make up and get back together. They're an awesome couple. Well, I hope you loved that video. If so, please like it. Also subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave me a comment, share it. These things really help me and I really appreciate them. Also, why don't you check out another video while you're here? This one here is another video about love and relationships. Well, thanks for learning with me. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.